Hi everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this napkin from Amazon in this little egg shape I got from Dollar Tree. I painted the front of it as well as the sides with Plaster chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. Once that was painted and dry, I open up the napkin and cut away a section. I remove the extra layers from the back of the printed part. I place Mod Podge on the front of the egg and then dry that completely. Once it's dry, I take the image and place that down over the top of the front of the egg. Add parchment paper down and then iron that on. It'll reactivate the Mod Podge, sealing that napkin into place. I then go around and sand off any of the excess napkin. And then add a layer of Mod Podge to the top of the image and dry that completely. Next, I'm taking this 5.5 by 7.5 piece of wood from Dollar Tree, painting everything but one side of it. Once that's dry, I am taking that and tracing it out on this scrapbook paper, which I believe I got from Amazon, and then cutting that out, adding Mod Podge to the unfinished side of the piece of wood. And then while the Mod Podge is still wet, I place down the scrapbook paper, getting it lined up. And then I use the iron method again to seal that on there and sand it off the excess paper. Next, I'm taking this 2.5-inch burlap ribbon, cutting a strip that's about 7 or 8 inches. I remove one little section from it and then take needle nose pliers and pull out the longer pieces. Once I have those all pulled out, I am taking Mod Podge and applying that to where the remaining strips are attached to the edge. And that'll just help keep those attached so they don't fall out. And then fold that in half so the ends are against each other, and then roll it over onto itself. Once it's completely closed, I'm adding hot glue to keep that into place. Next, I'm taking the egg and hot gluing that down, just eyeballing it on the scrapbook paper, and then hot glue on that flower, and then hot glue a small button to the center of that. Next, I'm adding some tumbling blocks to the bottom so it'll help it stand. I hot glue those, just kind of setting them gently at first, and then standing that up, kind of leaning it back a little to make sure it'll stand before that glue sets, and painting those as well with that Plaster chalk paint. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.